Data type is the type of data stored in a variable. In Visual Basic, we have a lot of data types, and almost all of these data types are similar to that of any programming language. This means if you have any earlier programming experience, you'll find this very easy. We are into this Microsoft official documentation for Visual Basic, and we are looking into the data type summary of Visual Basic. So let's go through some of these data types and then we will go and see them in action. The first I want to point out is Boolean. It uses one bit, that means either 0 or 1. This indicates whether some value is true or false. Next is byte. Byte is good for numbers between 0 and 255 range. It uses 1 byte of memory. Next one is char or char. I will be pronouncing char, and it stores single character, meaning any Unicode character that you pick, for example A, B to Z and other ASCII characters. It uses 2 bytes in memory. The next is date. As you can guess, it is used to store dates in variable. It uses 8 bytes of memory. Then we have decimal. For better precision and optimum memory, we have double. It is a double precision floating point. It uses 8 bytes of memory and also have a very large range. Integer is very common, and we are going to use integer in almost all the examples. It uses 4 bytes of memory and also has a very good range. Then we have long and all sorts of other data types. I would highly recommend that you come to this link and check them by yourself. One more data type that I want to point is string. String means anything that is made up of character. We have already seen examples of string in our previous example, so you'll find it familiar. And its range is from 0 to approximately 2 billion Unicode characters. So if it is a word or a sentence or even a whole essay, you can store that in string.